Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are doing a high school assessment for the section noted as addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, so here they're asking us to add decimals, and we have to remember the rule to adding decimals is that we have to think about the place value. As we're putting these decimals underneath each other to add them up, we can only add the numbers that are in the same place value. So if you look at each of these questions, let's say, look at um, number H, letter H, for example, we can break it up into place values and we would have this situation here, right? All the numbers, all the place value numbers in the same place value have to be added together. So you have to align everything and look how the decimals line up. That's how you make sure that all the place values are in the right column. The decimals all have to line up right on top of each other like that. And then we can indicate the place value. So this is the tens place. Let's put this over here. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. And over here we have the 1/10ths place, right? And over here we have the 100ths place. And the last one is the 1000ths place. Okay. So now that we've lined up all the numbers in their place value, and we do that by just lining up the decimals, we can only add the numbers in the place with the same place values, right? So let's do that we'll start off with H first. So here you see it's 3, and there's nothing else there. So that 3 is just going to come there. There's nothing else to add it to in the place value. In the next place value, 100, which is here, we see 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 are 17. We're going to put the 7 down here. And because it's greater than 10, we're going to put that 1 in the next place value here. And now when we add these up, we're going to include that 1. Because this is 8 and 9 is 17. The 7 goes here, and then that other 1 goes into the next place value, right? Because it's greater than 10. So it's going to be 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16, right? Plus 6 is 22, plus 3 is 25. So we're going to get 5, but now we take that other 2, and since it's more than 10, we take that other 2 and put it in the next place value, and then we add that there. So this is going to be 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 0 is still 12, and then plus another 4 is going to give us 16. So again, it's more than 10. We put down the 6, and we carry that 1 up to the next place value. And then we add what's there. So we have 1 plus 3 is 4. Right. And now we have to remember that we aligned all the decimals. So the decimal has to stay exactly where it is, right? So the decimal place lines is right here. And our answer is 46.573. So the key thing to remember here is that we can only add the numbers that have the same place value, okay? And the way we make sure of that is we align the decimals vertically right over each other when we're writing the numbers out. All right, so now that we've done that one, let's go ahead and do the others. Okay, so for A, we have 4. Again, we're lining up the place values. See the decimals right above each other. So 4 plus nothing is just going to give us 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. We put the 0 down. We carry the 1 to the next place value. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Again, we put the 1 down, carry the other 1 to the next place value, and then we have 1 plus 0, 0 is just going to be 1. Now we put the decimal point that stays where it is, and the answer for this one is 1.104. Now let's do the next one. Okay. Here we have, again, we lined up the decimals, so everything's in the right place value. 9 plus 3 is 12. We're going to put the 2 down, and we carry the 1 up to the next place value, and then it's 1 plus 0 plus 0. It's just going to be 1. And we put the decimal point right where we found it. We keep it right there in the same spot. Next one, okay, here we have 2 plus nothing is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. Right? We put the decimal point there. So our answer is going to be 0.8382. All right, let's go to the next one. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. We put the 2 down. We carry the 1. Right? 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12. Again, we put the 2 down, carry the 1 to the next decimal place. 1 plus 0, 0 is 1. and then we just put the decimal point where it belongs, right? And we get 1.225. Right. Then we go to the next one. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then the decimal stays where it is. So our answer is going to be 0.8, I'm sorry, 0.8932. Okay. Next one, we have 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 7 is going to give us, what is it? 6 plus 7 is going to give us 13. So the 3 goes down there. The 1 comes up here. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. The 4 goes down here. The 1 goes to the next decimal place. Anytime it's more than 9, you put the first digit down and you carry the next digit to the next decimal place. And here we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. And now we just put the decimal place there. So for F, we have 1.4381. All right, let's do the last one. Here we have 8 plus 4 is 12. That's more than 9, so we bring the decimal and the digit. We put down a 2. We put the 1 in the next place value. Then we add these. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. Plus 5 is 19. So we get 9 for this. 19, we put the 9 down, carry the 1 to the next place value. Then we add that. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 5 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And then the last column, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then we put the decimal place where it was, and we have 79.72. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.